Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? I think it's time for me to get rid of the Fitbit Versa. So two times this Fitbit has acted up on me now. This is what it did the first time. And last night, it did this to me. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's a bug in the software. Maybe there's a bug in the device. I don't know. I just can't tell you the reason why it's doing it. But one thing I noticed is it happened every time I'm trying to sync to the app. It happened the first time I was trying to sync my data back to the app so I can upload my information. And last night it did it again when I was trying to sync up with the app one more time. So I don't know if it's the app, the software, the device, but whatever it is, I can't explain it. Now what I can do is to show you how to reboot the Fitbit Versa in case it happens to you. So what you want to do is to press the left and the bottom button on the right side and keep holding it until you see the Fitbit logo appears. Once it appears, just give it time. It's going to reboot the device and it should put it back into normal state. But if it don't put it back in that normal state of operation, then you might want to contact Fitbit and let them know your device is defective. Maybe they can do something for you if it's not out of warranty. But if all this weirdness is not happening to you, well, then you're good to go. But if it does happen in the future, this is how you solve that problem. All right? Okay, so I just wanted to share this tip with you in case it happened to you with your Fitbit Versa now or in the future. All right, I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.